work for BPR Roofing. I have a small insurance supplement company called Meleah's Measurements, and I'm a licensed insurance adjuster. Every Monday, and occasionally on some bonus days, I'm going to bring you a short, and by short I mean 5 minutes or less, video about insurance policies, insurance claims, the roofing process, what hail damage actually looks like, and more. Today we are going to talk about your homeowner's policy, more specifically ACV, actual cash value, versus RCV, replacement cost value policies. Now I want to preface this with the fact that everybody's policies are different, so please take a look at your own policy, and if you have questions, call your agent. That's what they're there for. Also, if you are having work done on your home and you are using insurance to pay for it, don't be surprised if your contractor wants to take a look at your policy as well. So let's get started. Actual cash value is the amount to replace or repair the damaged parts of your home and personal items after depreciation is subtracted. You're also responsible for your deductible. If you aren't sure what depreciation is, it is the decrease in value based on things like age, wear, and tear. For instance, you put on a new roof in your home in 2010. In 2019, a hailstorm comes through and you make a claim on your insurance. The adjuster comes out and decides, yes, you do need a new roof. He will deduct the loss in value of your shingles because they are now 9 years old. These policies may be cheaper, but they often pay out less when you make a claim, so you have to balance that with your budget and needs. Now, let's take a look at replacement cost value, or RCV. If you have an RCV policy, then when you make a claim, they will pay the amount needed to repair or replace your home and personal items without deducting for depreciation. But there's a catch. Your initial payment will most likely be for the ACV amount, or ACV amount minus your deductible. You cannot receive the remaining part of the claim owed to you, the recoverable depreciation, until after the work is complete. So if you take the money and never make the repairs, then the insurance company will not pay you the rest of the claim amount. You are also responsible for your deductible in this type of policy as well. A caveat that you may encounter is that sometimes policies contain both ACV and RCV components. It's important that you understand that and know if you have coverage like that, so you won't be surprised when you make a claim like I was. I had a home in which I claimed a roof on, and they said I needed a new one, and I found out that I had RCV on all components except for the shingles. Well, what's the most expensive part of a claim? Those shingles. So I learned a lesson the hard way, and I want you to learn from me. This concludes our first episode. I hope that you learned something new today. See you next week.